Indian Army has showcased Skynet Intel, an advanced drone analysis tool that marks a major boost to counter drone and intelligence capabilities. The system designed to extract and track complete operational data from recovered drones. I want to go across to Rakshita to give us more details, because Army officials, Rakshita, tell us this will successfully be used to retrieve critical data like it has been from a Pakistani drone that was recovered during Operation Sindoor, and will provide very critical intelligence inputs.
Those drones that it's out in front of the world. Pakistan can keep it can keep just putting up a sham, but the world knows that Pakistan was behind this attack. And this is another case in point. Just a while back, just a few days ago, we had Songar, the one of the Turkish drone companies, who had admitted in a statement, speaking to media, that it was the Pakistanis who actually had faltered when it came to carrying out how to operationalize those drones that were not even meant for the kind of operations that they were deployed for, because they had completely failed. Now, we don't know if the Turkish drones were so bad or it was the Pakistanis. Both things can happen. But yes, the proof is there that they were Turkish drones, A. And B, yes, India successfully could intercept them with such technologies like the Skynet Intel. Now, this Skynet Intel has been used previously by the Border Security Force, the first line of defense for India, that is the BSF, as well, especially along the Punjab border, for just to counter the drug smuggling via drones, which continues till date. So it has been deployed alongside the border earlier as well. It's a digital forensic investigation tool. It's a framework. It is designed for rapid analysis as well, rapid case analysis and insecurity issues. And it can retrieve even call and message records. So this is an advanced level, a methodology a technology that it deploys. And yes, as we were just seeing in that video, the officer was explaining how the drone had, the Skynet Intel helped India to decode one of the drones, where it started from, where it was launched from. And very clearly it's mentioned it was from Lahore Air Base. And what we know so far is that it was moving towards Amritsar. It was very successfully shot down. All the drones were shot down. We know about it. We do not, there are people, of course, within the country who still look for proof. But here it is. Everything has been decoded. And all these tools from across the border, all these drones, they have all been destructed. They have been reconstructed and put out on display. Once again, a slap on Pakistan's face to send out a message that we can dare and put it out, and we will cause more and more embarrassment. We will continue with our counter-terrorism efforts, which the country is focusing on. And with this, India sends out a very, very important message to Pakistan yet again, and showcases to the people of the country that India continues this fight against terrorism, right from the technology to our Jawans, along the border. Everything is, the preparations for any sort of conflict are in full swing, and they will be, the expectations of the countrymen will be lived up to the T. This technology is, of course, something that is important. Right from June, in fact, we have seen such exercises have been carried out. Drone tests have been carried out from June itself. We have seen
I just interrupt you to thank you for that, because we've just shown you the Army showcasing all the preparedness that they have. This is coming as my next breaking news. Before that, I thank Ishan and Rakshita for having joined us and giving us that elaborate, extensive, prideful show of what lies ahead for us as Army is prepared.